Ecomak, experience the expertise. Successful commissioning of Gas Cleaning Plant, GCP, for semi-closed, Submerged Arc Furnace Fume Extraction System, in India. Before Ecomak's Gas Cleaning Plant, GCP, installation. Customers face challenges with industrial emissions, impacting productivity and air quality. After Ecomak's Gas Cleaning Plant, GCP, installation. Emissions were significantly reduced, improving air quality and operational efficiency. We specialize in serving key industries, including metals, mining, and minerals, energy, food, and chemicals.